How to download Android apps not available in your country. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download Android apps not available in your country. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, over towards your Google Play Store and go to the home screen. Once done, select profile icon at top right corner of the screen and simply you have to choose the option of Payments and subscriptions. Once done, head over to the payments method at top of the screen. Now tap More Payment Settings and you can choose any one of it. Let's open from Chrome browser. Now you will land on this kind of interface where you have to select the Add a Payment Method button. So here you need to add your credit or debit card details like your card number, card holder names, and on the billing address you need to simply add the address where you are able to download that particular app and which is available in that region or country. And after that, you need to select the save button. And once you do that, you will successfully download Android apps that are not available in your country by changing the billing address or location. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.